Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today we saw Apple release iOS 13 Developer Beta 3 version 2. So this is the second version of Beta 3. Seems to be a very mixed reaction to Beta 3 just because a lot of people were having issues on their devices with crashing, battery life, kind of like overheating. There's a lot of performance issues when it came to the UI experience. So Apple has responded with a second version here which fixes all of the bugs in that beta version. I've installed it onto my device, double checked for you guys, and it looks like all the bugs that I was experiencing on beta 3 of iOS 13 are now fixed. The second public beta also came today, which likely contains those fixes as well. So if you were on the first public beta, you can go ahead and update to the second one as well. So just a little bit of information here about beta 3, the second version that we're seeing here. There's not too many changes, just the change in build number, and then of course the fix to some of the bugs that we were seeing. So the build number is 17A5522G. So that is the new and updated build number for beta 3 here. This is the second version. So if you guys are on the third developer beta, all you have to do is go to software update and you will see an update to beta 3. Just go ahead and install that update and all of those fixes should flood in. Now, what fixes am I referring to? Well, I mentioned some earlier. There was some overheating, performance issues. Basically, the performance was not that great. Opening apps was very slow. There was a lot of issues going throughout the UI and kind of lags and stutters. The YouTube app was very laggy when going into the media controls and kind of trying to get in and out of videos. It was just not that great of an experience on beta 3. We also saw a huge dip in battery life. So battery life was not great. Very poor battery performance on the iPhone XS Max specifically. And just the entire beta didn't seem like it was a very kind of good beta for testing. It seemed like a very early development beta version and was not proper for releasing it to the public nor even developers. So all of those issues have been fixed. I've gone throughout iOS and made sure that those have been fixed before updating you guys about it and kind of recommending that you update to the second version here of beta 3. So go ahead and update if you're having any of the issues that we were talking about last week, and even now this beta version should be fixing those issues. So as I said, go to software update and you should be able to update there. Now, if you want to switch off of the developer betas and move on to the public betas, you can go ahead and do that. There is a link in the video description below. It leads you to beta.apple.com, and there you can sign up for the public beta with your device and install the public beta so you won't get as many bugs found within the developer beta. So guys, that was just a short update video on beta 3 here, the second version of beta 3. No new features, no major changes, just a bunch of the bugs have been fixed here. The major performance bugs that we were seeing in the first version of beta 3. So guys, thank you all for watching this update video on iOS 13. If you want to stay up to date with all of the future releases and content around that, make sure to get subscribed and also hit the bell button to get updates as soon as that content is released. So again, thank you all for watching, and hopefully I'll be seeing you in some upcoming content. Peace.